Every parent wants to protect their child from bullies, but here's the truth. You can't always be there. What you can do is build the kind of inner strength that makes bullies back off before they even start. And it only takes 5 minutes per day. I'm going to share that with you right now. I'm going to show you the daily habit that will transform your child's confidence, a simple ritual that trains calm, assertive, bully-proof resilience, something I've used with 20,000 children around the world with my best-selling book, Not a Victim. Most bullying doesn't start with a punch. It starts with a tone, a comment, a look, or a laugh. And in that split second, a confident child responds and an unprepared child freezes. Confidence isn't about aggression. It's about body language. It's about voice and belief that I can handle this. That's what stops bullying long-term before it escalates. So, here's where parents go wrong. When something happens at school, we rush in to fix it. We say, ignore them, or tell the teacher, or be nice. The problem is that ignoring this doesn't build confidence. It's just avoidance, because we as parents are worried about conflict. We're worried about our child experiencing conflict if they stand up for themselves, but it's the only way for them to actually avoid it. Telling the teacher is fine, but it doesn't build skills, and being nice, that can actually turn your child into a target in the first place. The goal is not to make them fearless, it's to make them ready. So, I'm going to share with you right now a very simple ritual that we teach at the Warrior Academy, and we call it Spot and Strength. But before I do, make sure you click subscribe and click the notification button if you're enjoying insights like this, so you can get more videos just like this to help you grow your child into a strong individual with lots of resilience, ready to face life's challenges. So let's talk about it. Spot and strength. Step 1, spot a win. Ask your child, what did you handle well today? Step 2, name the strength that made it possible. That took courage, or that took focus, or that took patience. And step 3, rehearse confidence. Act out a small challenge. Eye contact, firm voice, strong posture. It's almost like a bit of role playing that you're doing with your child. That is it. 5 minutes a day. You're not just talking about confidence, you are literally training it. Now, here's why it works. Repetition rewires response. If a child practices calm assertiveness every day at home, their brain doesn't panic in real conflict. This is what we've seen hundreds of times at the Warrior Academy. Kids who once avoided eye contact now speak up clearly and diffuse tension without drama. Now, as a parent, here's the challenge. Your 5 minutes matter more than you think, because confidence isn't taught in lectures, it's caught in moments. Tonight, before bed, ask your child, what did you handle well today? Then say, that was you being strong. That single sentence tells your child, I see your effort, I believe in you, and belief is the first layer to bully-proof confidence. So, if you want to see how ready your child is for life's social pressures, then click on the description and you will see a free bully quiz. This bully quiz is going to assess your child's bully readiness. It's completely for free, and afterwards you'll also get access to an anti-bullying workshop. And if you're serious about raising kind, brave, confident kids, hit the subscribe button, and every week we're going to build one more piece of inner strength together completely for free.